Guys, welcome back to my channel Life with Ali. Now a lot of you have been writing back to me looking at one of the videos that I made few months ago on my hair cystiene treatment, and a lot of you have been having questions as to for how long does the cystiene last, and whether it causes hair fall or not, whether you can color your hair after your cystiene treatment or not, and for how long does this treatment actually last. So in today's video, I'm going to answer all your questions, and one of the most asked questions to me was, it's been 3 months for my treatment and you guys wanted to see how my hair look now. So this is what my hair look after 3 months of cystiene. Still there's no frizz, and my hair have grown out very little, but you can't really tell the difference. I have not put anything on my hair right now. I have just washed them and blow dried them, that's it. So let's go ahead and let me answer all your questions. Okay, so I've written a few questions down. Without wasting a lot of time, let me answer all your questions. One of the most commonly asked questions to me was, does this treatment give a flat look, and does your hair end up looking poker straight? So no guys, as you can see, my hair does not look poker straight. It gives it a naturally straight look, as compared to other treatments like keratin and say a Brazilian blowout. This treatment is not going to give you a poker straight look. Cystiene is to give your hair a naturally straight look. The other most commonly asked question is which shampoo conditioner to use. Now I use the Moroccan oil shampoo and conditioner for volume, which works really well for my hair. It doesn't make my hair flat. It gives it a natural bounce, as you can see. And you guys can use Olaplex shampoo conditioner, which is also very good. Any sulfate and paraben free shampoo will be great for your hair. So you can use Olaplex, you can use Nashi Argan shampoo and conditioner, or you can use the Moroccan oil. These three are my favorites. So yeah, you can go ahead and use any of these. And this treatment honestly does not require a lot of hair care. All you have to do is make sure that you don't leave your hair damp after a hair wash. Blow dry it in the next 5 to 10 minutes. This is just so that your cystiene treatment lasts longer. So don't leave your hair wet for a long time. And just use a good shampoo and conditioner. That's it. The third question is, any changes post cystiene, and is there a difference in regrowth of hair, like people with curly hair face problems of regrowth? Now since my childhood, I have always had my natural hair have always been wavy, which now you can't tell, but I've always had a problem of baby curls right in the front of my hair, where I have small hair coming out. But after this treatment, those curls have gone. But after a few months, those curls may get visible again once my hair grow out, but right now you can't see them. So no, it's not going to make a very visible difference to your hair if you get this treatment done. Even if your hair are curly or straight, your new hair will grow in such a way that it's not an obvious difference. The next question is, how long does this treatment last? For me, on my hair, this treatment, the last time I did it lasted for about 8 months. So if you take good care of your hair, this treatment can last you quite long. And this time too, it's been 3 months already. I got this treatment done in the first week of August, and we are in the middle of October. So it's still, the product is still there in my hair and it's not yet worn out. So I see it lasts for another 4 months at least. That again depends on the texture of your hair and how much care do you take of your hair. So it all depends on that. The next question is, are there any side effects of this treatment? I would recommend anyone to do this treatment not more than twice a year. You should give your hair a break, time for your hair to actually become healthy again, because at the end of the day, it is chemical and it is product. So if you do this treatment, very often, It may have side effects, but for me as of now it has had no side effects, because this is the third time that I'm getting it done. The first time that I got any hair straightening treatment done was a keratin, and the next two times I've done a cysteine. So far for me, there have been no side effects. But going ahead, even I'm going to give my hair a break and not go ahead with the third cysteine immediately after this wears off. So yeah, but it does not have any visible side effects. Like cysteine is not going to really cause hair fall or really cause anything. So in terms of that, it's not going to have any side effects if you take care of your hair and you don't overdo this treatment. The next question is, can we use hairspray after this treatment? By hairspray, if you mean dry shampoo or like a volume spray, then yes, you can use hairspray. It's not going to really affect your cysteine. I use dry shampoo the day that I'm lazy to wash my hair, so it doesn't really affect my treatment at all. And there's another volume spray that I use from the brand Cystiene. I will put it in the description below. It's called the Reshaper by the brand Cystiene, which works really well for my hair. So after washing and blow drying my hair, I spray the product on my hair, and then I comb my hair. So it just gives it a natural volume. The next question is, hi Ali, is it okay to tie up your hair in a bun when the product is on before the final hair wash, or should I be leaving it straight to avoid any bends? Now when you get this treatment done, for the first 1 day till the time you're called back in the salon for a hair wash, you have to leave your hair straight and protect it from any water or any kind of humidity. If you work out, don't work out for that 1 day, and make sure that your hair is left straight till the time you go for that hair wash, to avoid any bends. Yes, so you should not dye your hair in a bun till the time your final hair wash is done. Then, has it been a month for your treatment? Yes, it has been 3 months for my treatment, and this is what my hair look like right now. My natural hair, if you guys would have seen, were really frizzy. So this treatment for me is like a blessing, because even when I'm traveling or if I have a lot of occasions coming up, I really have to do nothing. I just blow dry my hair and I step out. That's it. It also makes my hair look very healthy. So I am really happy with this. Can we oil our hair post the treatment? I usually don't oil my hair, or I don't prefer to oil my hair when I've done a treatment on my hair, because I don't feel it requires any oiling. I feel like my hair naturally have this shine because of the treatment and they look healthy, so I avoid oiling my hair. But you can oil your hair just on your scalp, not on your hair. So you can put some oil and then wash it off within half an hour. I wouldn't recommend you sleeping overnight or keeping the hair oil overnight and then washing it the next day. If you want to oil your hair, yes you can, but on your roots, and then wash it off in the next 30 to 35 minutes. Will this treatment stop hair fall? This treatment is not going to stop hair fall if your hair fall is because of some other reason. There are many reasons why you may be having hair fall, so this treatment is not going to really stop your hair fall if it's because of another reason, and it's also not going to cause any hair fall if you're doing it for the first time, or if you've not done it many times, and if you're taking good care of your hair. So yes. Next question is, hi Ali, my only issue is I have grey hair and I have to keep doing a root touch-up every 2 to 3 months. Is it feasible to color along with cysteine? You can do a root touch-up after your cysteine. Usually, if you're just coloring your hair, I would recommend to color your hair just before your cysteine treatment is done, because coloring your whole hair after the cysteine treatment can wear off the cysteine faster. So I would recommend color your hair first and then go ahead with your cysteine treatment, and then in the next 2 to 3 months, if you have to get your hair colored again, just get a root touch-up done, or just like a toner to cover up your white or grey hair. So can do that. It will not really affect your cystiene. And the next question is, how about the cost compared to other hair treatments? The Cystiene hair treatment usually is a little bit more expensive than a keratin or other hair treatments, but I would say it is worth it because I mean, for people who want that natural look and want to be able to manage their hair, and want easily manageable hair, this treatment is for you. But again, it also depends on the length of your hair, which salon you're going to, and your hairstylist. So the cost will depend on that. The cost for me was 10,000 Indian rupees. But personally, I would suggest you to go to a good hairstylist because it does make a lot of difference. They will do just what is needed for your hair, and they will put the product on your hair in such a way that it causes the least damage. So I would recommend to go to a good hairstylist for any kind of hair treatment. And the last question I have is, I have keratin on my hair currently and my hair is shedding big time. If I have to switch to cystiene, how long should I wait? I would recommend for you to wait till the keratin it has completely weared off from your hair, because if it's been just 2 to 3 months for your keratin and the product is still on your hair, and if you go ahead for a cystiene, that may cause harm to your hair. So I would recommend you to wait for another 2 to 3 months for your keratin to completely wear off, and then maybe give it a 2 to 3 months for your hair just as a breather, for your hair to become healthy again and to recover, and then go ahead with your cystiene treatment. So that's about it, guys. I hope this has answered most of your questions, and if you do have any more questions, you can write down in the comments below and I will answer them all. So I hope this has answered most of your queries and questions. But there's one basic thing that you should follow is a good sulfate and paraben free shampoo and conditioner. That's it. And you should blow dry your hair immediately after your hair wash. That's all that I do. And this is what my hair looked like after 3 months of the treatment. So there is not a lot of hair care that is required. Personally for me, I'm really happy. I don't have to do much, and when it comes to hair, I have never had the best of hair. I've not been lucky when it comes to hair, my hair. So this treatment really it puts a smile on my face. It's just a relief. So yeah, guys, I hope you like this video, and I hope it's answered most of your questions again. And if you did like this video and you are watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I will also put the link of the previous hair cystiene, the original hair cystiene video in the description. So if you haven't watched that, and if you're watching this first, you can also have a look at that. So that's about it, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.